Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Probably Fixed It in the series of Mower Mondays. We got little yard machines mower, and we're going to figure out what's wrong with it and see if we can get her up and running again. One thing I can tell is it's a little stiff, so we'll spray a little PB blaster down it there. It's definitely going to need a new air filter. There's going to be no saving this one. This will get a nice replacement, and we'll get it all cleaned up. Let's see if she happens to fire up. Let's see if it has gas in it. Check the oil real quick, make sure it has some in it. We'll do an oil change. It's got a little bit of fuel in it, not much. And it has oil in it, and that'll get changed. Take a look at the blade. Blade looks good. All right, so what we'll do here, we'll go ahead, see if she fires up. If not, we'll do the routine carburetor clean. This has one of those plastic carburetors on it, so they're kind of unique, and I got a little hack for those if we end up having to rebuild that. Let's see if she fires up. We may get lucky. Well, it doesn't happen very often, but one pole started right up, no surging. That carburetor is probably pretty good. I put a new air filter on it, change the oil, clean it up, and get this one out. This will probably be a really quick episode of Probably Fix It, but you know, sometimes you have easy ones. See if we can get this one up and listed for sale this weekend. Let's get after it. We're gonna go ahead and hit, my hose barely reaches out here, but we're gonna go ahead and hit this area here with the air compressor and blow all that out real good. All right, that'll be pretty good there. I'm gonna go ahead and give this cable a quick spray. Let that thing start doing its business. Spray up in here a little bit. Work the handle. Give it some time to creep down in there and it'll be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and get this old oil out. This little pump here I use, I'll leave a link for that. It's actually for changing the lower unit oil, but on an outboard, but it works great for this. Get all this oil out. I can also kind of take a look and see if I see any metal flakes or anything in here, and I don't. It looks pretty good, just dirty. These Briggs Stratton 550EX motors take 15 to 16 ounces of oil. I got this little graduated container here I like to use, so it just makes it easier. Measure it out, pour it in, go to town. I like to change the oil at the beginning of every mowing season. It's just my preference, probably a good idea. Like gravity, let the oil settle down a little bit, then we'll check it and make sure we're within the marks. I aim to try to get the oil between these two dots right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's right where I like it. Kind of twist that a little bit. So that oil change is complete. Got myself a brand new air filter. Got that installed. All right, that's on there good. Next thing we'll do is we'll check the condition of the spark plug and the blade. It takes a 5/8 socket for this plug. Pull this plug out. And plug's not looking the best. I'll go ahead and put a fresh plug in it. Go see what I can dig up. Got me a fresh plug here with I put a little anti-seize on it to help the next guy out. Maybe that next guy will be me again. All right, that's good to go. We'll go ahead and check the blade. Before I do this, I always disconnect my spark plug wire. I hate to accidentally start this thing up while my hands are underneath here. Blade's not bad. I'll put it's actually still got the metal. I'll just touch that up a little bit, but it's pretty good. We'll touch that up and get it back installed. All right, put a fresh edge on that blade. torque that to spec. Put spark plug back on, spark plug wire back on. All right, we're gonna go do a quick test mow with this thing and then clean her up and get her ready to move on. So let me go see if she fires up and cuts some grass for me. I always like to do a quick test mow before I put these out to sell. Starts up on the first pole, so that's a good sign. Let's go see if she cuts, and if she cuts, we'll clean her up and get her ready to go. This thing will shine right up when it's all said and done. You won't believe it. But I'm not going to bore you with making you watch all of it. I just want to kind of get you a little before, and I'll get you after right at on the outro. But, all righty. See you in the outro. Look at that. All right, guys. So we ended up changing the oil on this unit here, sharpened the blade. We got some fresh ethanol gas in it. That plug, replaced the plug. This plug was garbage. Replaced this air filter. And oddly enough, I didn't have to rebuild the carburetor. And I did a test cut of the my lawn, and it all went pretty well. So I think this one's ready to move on to its next owner. Let's fire her up. So if you like these, join me again for next Monday for Mower Monday.